So it's currently 2 a.m. in the morning. And what am I doing? Oh, it's even done. It's done already. I just finished the code FM. I've coded the requirements for the back end over here. So I'm supposed to come here and read all the documentation. There are lots of documentations I need to go through so I can validate this is okay, and also the workflows as well, the different workflows. I need to read everything. See, it's just more of documentation. I've not really gotten to the back end, like implementing it. So I'll have to go through it when the documentations, the steps, the features, everything is good to go. I just tell Claude next, okay, Claude, implement it. Okay, what else am I doing? Over here, this is my legacy website. I am taking it from legacy to Laravel. I wrote the code vanilla PHP. I wasn't using a framework. So I'm using Codex for this one. Although, if you check here, you will see Claude. This is Claude. I use Claude to update something. What did I update precisely? Usually I would have to update my SSL on my broadcaster, won't broadcast the game, but I had Claude change it. So I'm supposed to review it now, patch it up. I'm supposed to patch it up on the server, but I'm still revamping the site, so I might not need it. But if I head over to Codex right now, I'm using Codex on this one. You see, I told Codex that this project is my real apps legacy website. I want to divide it into front end and back end. Let's start with the back end. Proceed, read. Before we proceed, read the project guidelines. So my project guidelines is usually where I put a guideline on all my projects. So I have a guideline on how I want my project to be. Any website, any app I'm working on. So the AI has to go through the way I write my code, the way I do my schematics, my architecture, so it knows what I'm doing. Okay, so you can see over there it has gone through everything. It has also given me markdown. As a software engineer, you have to read documentations first. Make sure you read everything and the AI knows what you're about to do, or what it knows what you want to confirm it knows what it's doing. So that's where the markdown comes in. Over here you can see I started my course because I've been seeing so many 3D websites in recent time. I've also been taking tutorials. In fact, I've been taking a lot of tutorials on how to use Claude Code and Higgsfield, how to combine the both of them. Not too long on Twitter and Thread. I shared an update on Twitter and Thread not too long. Okay, my this thing is off, but I shared something not too long. So what I actually shared was okay, what I actually shared was this. I learned a couple of things. You have to tell the AI to be a creative developer, cinematic web designer, AI art director, front end animation specialist. You see these 4 things. These are the things you need to tell AI to be. So now I'm trying to come up with guidelines. I like coming up with guidelines. If I'm building anything, I like coming up with guidelines. I like using guidelines because it makes sense easy. So most people just talk to the AI. They assume that the AI would be able to know what they want to do, but that's not true. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm building up my okay bots. I'm changing the front end. So I had a project here yesterday. I'm trying to see if I can. Okay, so this is the old one over here. This is the old okay bot. If I take you here, this is the old one over here. I had a new one. Okay, so this is the new one. So this was actually built by a developer then. So I'm trying to change it. I don't like this. Not like I don't like it. He tried anyway. At least it's funner than the one we had. Or I don't know. But I want to do it. Let it be cinematic, right? So I stopped halfway. In fact, I was actually telling the AI that I want it to be cinematic, but it doesn't know what I'm saying because I don't even know what I'm saying. I need to go learn. Okay, Okay, I think I was asking it a question here. Let me see if I use Claude. Okay, yeah, it was Claude. I used Claude and Codex. I combined both of them all the time. So while I was using Codex, while I was using Claude, I told Claude usually I would put this website inside. Okay, no, this was another thing Claude did, and then I came back to tell Claude I want the site to be revamped. So I'm doing the okay bot here. I'm doing the roll ups here. I'm doing the code farm here. I'm watching this movie, one of my childhood movie heroes. You can see. Because it's 2 o'clock, so I can't play it loud. It doesn't have to be loud. So yeah, I'm making my tutorials here. I'm taking a course on Laravel here. I have Claude for questions, man, and I'm still following up my schematics. Like, this is the schematics of a future response to implement. If you look at this place, this is like our drive map. This is our drive map over here. Okay, so I'm supposed to check out all this. I have like 2 schematics. I'm supposed to build another schema over here. So I'm going to do this till like I'm going to keep working till like maybe 7 a.m. in the morning. But I'm taking courses. I am vibe coding. I am seeing hero, and I have to do this till. I have to do this in the morning. It's morning already. Okay. See you all later.